So, as Maha says, there is nothing what we can call completely safe, right? So, we produce the better risk managers, right? We need to teach them the risk management. Okay, now coming towards how can we reduce the cost of pilot training. There are a lot of such activities and practices that can be done online, as my company is doing, okay, and the practices. But obviously, till manufacturers make such simulators which can be completely online, which is not possible, right? I think we still need to have the physical simulators, and for that, they have their own cost. Yeah. We cannot reduce that, okay. But before that, as I have told you, there is a behavioral training, and then there are some what we call theoretical kind of trainings which can be done completely online and even with the help of AI as well, and we can make better workforce for the future because we need more pilots. Even if we are moving towards the urban air mobility, we need the workforce, right? We just said that aviation for the near future cannot rely or cannot depend completely on AI or machines. We need to have human force. We need to train them behaviorally, and it can be done online. Pilots or the future pilots do not need to move anywhere, which increase the cost and expenses. Yeah. Okay. Then we can have the best trainers for them online. Again, they do not have to move to them, which will again reduce the cost. So only if we are using the technology, we need to use it more oftenly and to have to see how we can innovate in that training sector to produce better workforce, and it is doing that. As you have mentioned, my academy, it's an online academy and it does it. But it is, the problem is not about the cost, it is about accepting. Yeah. We are saying that it is reducing the cost, but still we have the human beings which are saying that no, we cannot rely on technology if it is online. I did my own personal kind of survey with the pilots I know, with more than 200 pilots, okay. So according to them, 70% said that yes, we want the online training. Obviously, it is not 100% online. They have to go to the flight school for the flight training, okay, which will obviously substantially reduce their cost. But still 30% said we need the physical classes. Why are they not relying on technology? So we need to have that generation which can rely on the training which is done online. And yes, it does produce 100% result.
The next generation will have 30 pivotal career moments. 30. They're going to be working for how many years? That means like once every 18 months there's going to be another change and another change and another change. And yet, tell me how long it takes to become a pilot.